Weekly is a real-time fighting game where you can play the character that you want the way that you want, and ultimately you can own that character at the end of the day.
A crossover fighting game that features a bunch of different IP from all around the world.
Built around customizing your own mech and being able to fight with other people.
It's really more of an opportunity to play with something cool that is uniquely your own.
It's kind of nice and exciting to see like the different combinations. Like I'll put this like ape head on this like mosquito body, like I have a rat tail, like that kind of thing.
The possibility and combination of mech creation is in the millions.
So as a fighting game gamer, you focus on playing the game, and as a Web3 user, you focus on the Web3 parts of it. And the way they seamlessly work is, I think, pretty unique and exciting.
We're taking something that hasn't really been done before and trying to, bring together two audiences that are in many ways very different from one another.
The fact that people can come in and build their own mechs and have ownership of their mechs and then have those content be in the game, I think that's very unique. When you assemble the mechs, you need about 10 different parts. Parts that are NFTs, they get locked up, they get staked, the mech gets minted as a new NFT. And when you disassemble the mech, then the mech actually gets divided into 10 parts again. So 10 parts that were staked or locked get unlocked, they become tradable again. You can just swap out one of the parts, like a new arm, and assemble the mech again. And the new mech gets minted, and the part that you swapped out, you can sell it.
This will encourage those NFT owners to create unique designs that are desirable for gamers.
So the world of Rec League was actually inspired by anything from Robotech to Voltron, Transformers.
We explored styles starting from Dexter's Lab to Titanfall. We wanted to be edgy, but also not take ourselves seriously. So, we found the nice balance, along the way.
It's a fun anime poppy style it's very fitting for a fighting game.
We're starting with the core. It's going to be about fighting. But there's going to be so many different game modes, so many different ideas coming from the community that we want to build upon this game.
What I'm focusing on at the moment is making sure that our current set of features that we're building, the foundational core features that you need for really any PvP game, stuff like PvP combat, stuff like matchmaking, is fun, but also like really well polished for players. And that's before we can start building out the more fun, cool features that, I think that everyone wants to see, like events, for example, where we can do some like crazier stuff. But even looking to the future, I think that what we want to do is poll the community. We want to hear community input on, like, what do you guys want to see in the game? And if we both want the same things, then everyone wins.
We have done some really cool work on the tech side in terms of making fighting games work seamlessly on mobile and PC and console.
Operating in this kind of space where there's two very different audiences, each with their own very unique set of needs, and trying to bring that together in one product is just very challenging, but also very exciting.
It's not just another NFT project. I can definitely say that we're able to make some noise when the key features come out, and everybody in the Web3 industry is going to talk about it.
This is something that we've always been dreaming about, and now, the time is right for us to put it together.
Rec League is creative.
Rec League is epic.
Rec League is innovative.
Rec League is fun.
I think it's wild.
Rec League is awesome.
Rec League is metaverse.
Rec League is dynamic.
Rec League is esports.
Rec League is groundbreaking.
We really don't think this game is just going to be a fighting game. I think it's going to be bigger than that, and that's what's really exciting right now.